A social media post claims that the central government under Prime Minister Modi has launched a scheme specially for Hindus called Paryatan Parv. According to this post, Hindus who visit at least 15 holy Hindu shrines in a year will be incentivized, their expenses will be reimbursed. And the post goes on to say that this is to protect the Sanatan Dharma and this is exclusively for Hindus. Let's look at how true it is. So when we did some Google search regarding this Paryatan Parv scheme, the Minister for Tourism Prahlad Patel in January 2020, he did make a statement saying they're planning to launch a scheme which would reimburse as an incentive the expenses incurred by people who visit at least 15 domestic tourist spots. But he did not say it is exclusive for Hindus, he did not even say it should be a Hindu shrine or a holy place. He just said any tourist spot, any 15 tourist spots in India, so that it can encourage domestic tourism. But when we looked up on whether there are any guidelines, any scheme guidelines or the official launch of the scheme, we couldn't find any. In fact, in March 2020, in response to a question in the Rajya Sabha, the government did mention that the scheme is not yet launched, but the Ministry of Tourism has two other initiatives called, they organized a Paryatan Parv and also a scheme known as Dekho Apna Desh, where they encourage people to visit 15 domestic tourist spots, and by 2022, whoever does that will be given small mementos and also some certificates according to a pledge on MyGov. So it is very clear that one, the scheme has not yet been launched. Even when the scheme is launched, it has nothing to do with only Hindus, it is for everybody, and it has nothing to do with only holy shrines. So anybody who visits 15 domestic tourist spots will be reimbursed. That is one. And two, the post claims that it is only for Hindus, that is also false. So making this entire post fake.
When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.